Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Green Day here again with the song called Suzie Chapstick. Wonderful theme title there. And this one is very simple, guys. We have pretty much one strumming pattern, and for verse we have one chord progression, and for the chords we have the second one, and that's pretty much it for the song. So very easy. Let's go over the chords, and no need for any cape on this one. So let's start with D minor. That is open D, second G, third B, and first E. So G next, that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have the C major 7. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, open B, and open E. And then we have the A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And then we have F here played in the chorus. That's a bar chord. You place the bar on the first fret and you bar all the strings there. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. And the final chord is the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so like I said, the strumming pattern is what works here from the beginning till the very end. We're gonna look at the transition here from D minor to G, because this pattern goes over two chords. Alright, so one full round goes like this. Alright, so the first part, and that is played on the D minor, goes down, down, up, up. Okay, so down, down, up, up. And that's it for D minor. Then you shift to part 2, the next chord, in this case, the G. You're gonna play up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So that is up, up, down, and then up, up, down again, plus an extra up. So up, up, down, up, down, up. And if you combine these two parts, it will be from D minor to G, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Again, slowly. And when you do the ups here, you don't go all the way up like this. It's too much. It's very noisy. So you just kind of turn your wrist like this and hit the bottom strings there, the E, B, perhaps the G as well or so, and that's enough. All right. So down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. That's what we're going to work with from the beginning till the very end. Now, the verse chords will be D minor part 1 and G part 2. We already learned that. And then you're going to go to C major 7 part 1 in the same way as the D minor, up, down, down, up, up. And then the A minor, the part 2 in the same way as the G, up, down, up, down, up. So the chord progression, D minor, G, C major to A minor, like this. Alright, so you're gonna play like that for 4 rounds in the first verse, and that takes us to the first chorus. We have the same principle here, guys. So part 1, part 2, part 1, part 2, like this. It goes and alternates. So it starts with F, part 1, G, part 2. Then E minor, part 1, and A minor, part 2. So F, G, E minor, A minor, like this. play 2 rounds for you, and that is what you should do as well. So 2 rounds is what is played here for this first chorus. Then you go back again, play the second verse, play it in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second chorus, no changes there, exactly the same. So 4 rounds in verses of this chord progression and 2 rounds in the chorus. After this second chorus here, we have a solo at about 1 minute and 51 seconds into the song. And then you're gonna play another verse play exactly as they play the verse for 4 rounds. Okay, then after that solo, the verse play of 4 rounds, so to speak, you go to play the third chorus. And this chorus is played in the same way as the previous choruses, 2 rounds of that. So no changes there. And after that third chorus, you go back and play the verse play. And that verse play will be for 2 rounds, not 4 rounds like the verses, only 2 rounds. And after that, we have the outro, okay? And the outro, you just continue to play the verse play. This is played for about 1.5 rounds. So what do I mean with that? Is that you're gonna play 1 full round of the verse play, D minor, G, C major, and A minor. And on the second round, you play the D minor, the G, with strumming, and then you end with just 1 down on the final C major chord. So 1.5 round in the end of the verse play. So that pretty much covers Green Day's Suzie Chapstick. So wonderful song there, very easy to play and guitar friendly. So give it a try. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please support me here on Going Guitar and give me motivation to continue here and give you great songs. Till then, next time guys, play tuned.